all move in together. I'm serious. Think about how cheap our rent would be. And honestly, there's not a single one of you in here that I wouldn't fuck. I mean that sincerely. So, a little while ago, my brother, I have a great older brother, he called me and he asked me if I wanted to help coach my nephew's t-ball team. And I'm not sure if the words got all the way out of his mouth, before I was like, fuck yes. Because I don't know about you guys, but I love baseball. I love baseball more than anything in the world, and I could not wait. I could not wait to coach these kids. I was like, oh my god, I'm going to teach them how to hit opposite field. I can't wait to do that. I'm going to teach them how to fucking do this thing, you know? I think I'm going to be really good at that. I couldn't wait to do that. I was so excited to do that. I'll tell you what I wasn't ready for. I wasn't ready for, hey buddy, you got to stand up. Because your dad paid. Please stand up. Okay, that ball that went right by you right now, that would have been yours. That's why you got to stay on your feet, okay? That would have been yours. Stay on your feet. No, Matthew, it's Nathan's ball. No, Nathan got there first. No, Nathan, it's Nathan. No, Matthew, keep your glove on. Keep your glove on. No, don't. No, Nathan, you get to throw it. No, Nathan, keep